couple definitions that may be new. Absolute value is something that measures the distance to 0. That's how we formally define absolute value. Distance to 0. Now distance, though, is always positive. So basically, when we take the absolute value of something, it's going to be the positive of it. And the symbol for absolute value are two straight lines. So let's say absolute value of -2. That's how we would say that. Two straight lines with -2 in the middle means absolute value of -2. This is 2, because -2 is 2 away from 0. Okay, on a number line, 0, -2. Okay, we're a distance of 2 units away. How about absolute value of 9? That would be 9. Okay, always going to be the positive. How about absolute value of -5 plus 2? So now I have to do something in the absolute value first. So first I have to do -5 plus 2, which I'm actually kind of getting ahead of myself. We haven't done this yet, but if you think about -5 plus 2, if it makes sense that would be -3. Okay, we'll get to that in a minute, how we will get -3. But -5 plus 2 is -3. Then we take the absolute value of -3, which is 3. Now, that's going to be a little different from taking the opposite of something. Okay, opposite is when we have the same digit, but the different sign. Same digit, different sign. So if I wanted to find the opposite of 4, it is -4. Or the opposite of -8, that is 8. Okay, so here we have the same digit, but instead of negative, it's positive, or instead of positive, it's negative. So opposite means the different sign. So this is going to be actually like flipped around from where 0 is. So opposite of 1, 2, 3, 4, we would go the same distance from 0, but in the opposite direction.